So last week I got this thing jacked up, got that tire fixed, and started messing with this caliper. Last week it had a bunch of slop in it, and if you were going down the road and stepped on the brake pedal, it sounded like the caliper was beating the inner fender. It was rattling so bad. Went online and found caliper slide hardware. I'll grab the piece, I'll grab the box and show you. They make different sizes, and this is a 1mm oversize, and it took all the slop out of that caliper, but it still works free. So this kit's made by Carlson. So for reference, that's your stock caliper slide. Now I bought two different sizes. The one I installed was a 1mm oversize, and this one's a 2mm oversize. And you can tell the difference between them. But yeah, that took all the slop out of the caliper. Now I gotta grease the front end, and my wife's gonna help me bleed the brakes, and we should be pretty close to having the front end the way I want it on this truck. There's the part number for the kit. On the other kit, the 1mm oversize, this number was a 6 instead of a 7. Are you broke? Do you want your Chevrolet to last forever? The main thing you need to do is grease the front end. You got a grease fitting, grease fitting, grease fitting, grease fitting, grease fitting, grease fitting, grease fitting. Your truck will run forever if you just keep the front end greased with very minimal problems. That's why I stick to a Chevrolet, and that's why I grease my grease fittings. I don't have my pump to empty out this master cylinder, but I do have this, so we're going to try that, see if it'll work in a pinch. All right, pump it up. All right, pump it up. And finishing touch on this side is a new dust cap. And there's the part number for that dust cap, 13977 or 13997. Slightly dyslexic today. Last thing we're going to do is tighten down these wheels and take it for a ride. Let's see how she fires up. Ain't been cranked in a week or two. Pretty good for a slack battery. Alright, so that was the world's shortest test drive because I ain't got no tags on it. But as soon as I get some things caught up, I'm going to put tags back on this thing and get it back on the road and get back to using it because I need it. Y'all be sure to look out for some new videos on the Dooley, and we're going to have more progress on the truck down at Rocky's house, the basket case Big 10. And we're probably going to do some more videos on the GMC Sierra, the Denali. Got a brake light switch to put in it, so that should be fun. But we'll catch y'all next time.